In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a blueprint in Wrike. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Go ahead and type Wrike into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you should see the Wrike website at the top of the search results. Click on it to access the website. When you're on the Wrike homepage, look towards the top right corner. You'll find options to either log in or start a free trial if you're new to Wrike. Choose the Login option to proceed if you already have an account. Don't worry, if you're just looking to explore, selecting Try Wrike for free is a good way to get started. After logging in, you'll need to navigate to your blueprints. This is an essential step in making any edits. Look to the upper right corner of your Wrike sidebar for a little caret icon. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu where you'll find an option labeled Blueprints. Alternatively, if you're on your space overview, you can click the space settings icon. This will also give you access to the Blueprints section. Choose whichever method works best for you to find this option. Once you're in the Blueprints area, you'll see a list of all your current available blueprints. Scroll through this list until you locate the specific blueprint you wish to edit. Simply click on it to start making changes. If you're using the table view, another handy approach is to look for the plus item button. Clicking this button will allow you to select the blueprint you want to edit, and then open the Create from Blueprint dialog. Now that you're in the Create from Blueprint dialog, this is where the magic happens. Here, you're able to make any necessary edits and refinements to your blueprint. Take your time to explore the dialog box. You'll notice that various elements like tasks, dates, assignees, and other important project or folder components can be adjusted according to your needs. This flexibility ensures your blueprint aligns perfectly with your project requirements. Making these changes is quite straightforward, as Wrike's user interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're satisfied with all the adjustments you've made, the final step is to click the Create button. By doing this, you'll apply all the changes you've implemented, and your blueprint will be updated accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a blueprint in Wrike. This process helps you keep your project planning dynamic and efficient, ensuring everything is organized just the way you want it. Thanks for watching, and happy planning with your fine-tuned blueprints.